Do letters testamentary expire? Welcome to Frank Bruno Law. I am Frank Bruno. I'm an elder law and probate attorney in New York. So I represent the executor of an estate, and this person is selling a piece of property. So the estate had a piece of real property, a home that was owned, and the executor is going to follow the instructions set forth in the will. And in order to do that, the executor has to sell the property, right? And then distribute the money in 2 ways or 3 ways, whatever the will says, right? Each will is specific and different to the testator's intent. Well, in this given situation, where my office prepared a contract of sale, we've been in contract, and we're ready to close. One of the things that the executor has to bring is freshly dated, new, updated letters testamentary. So when the court issues letters testamentary, it's dated and stamped, right? Well, it has to be dated within 6 months of the closing. So, if we would have gotten the letters in a month, 2 months, 5 months, 6 months ago, or within 6 months, we could proceed right to closing. If you need to obtain new letters, pre-COVID, we would go to the surrogate's court, pay a small sum of money, right? Just a few dollars. I don't want to date the video, but no more than $6. And we'd get new letters, and they'd be stamped and certified as of the date we purchased them. Now, in the age of COVID-19, we are permitted to order the letters online. Then the court has to process them and then mail them to my office, right? So there's going to be about, I'd say, 10 to 14 days, maybe 10, right? 5 business days. By the time there's a weekend in the way, probably about 10 days. I'll let you know if it's important to anyone. If you want to know, reach out to me. We are open for in-person visits with a mask in my conference room, socially distanced. I'm also available for telephone calls or Zoom virtual meetings. I've been holding webinars. That's been quite successful. People really like them. There's a sort of an ask me anything type situation. So at the end of my public webinar, I offer anyone to ask me questions. They'll either type the question in, or I'll unmute their mic and allow them to ask me the question directly. So if you have any questions, you could always email me, frank@frankbrunolaw.com, or you could take a look at my website, frankbrunolaw.com. Thank you very much.